Hey, Brent from Stevens Tractor. It's been a while since we've come to you with a video. We just had a lot going on last year and beginning of this year. Just want to first of all start off by just paying a little tribute to my father-in-law, Russell Stevens, who actually started the business and made it what it is today. We just wanted to share that with you, and thank y'all for y'all's prayers and all y'all's responses on our Facebook page. But we really appreciate y'all, and I pray God bless y'all. But anyway, we're coming back to you with a video here in South Louisiana. It's getting warming up a little bit and the rain's kind of slacking off. We're able to get out in the garden and do a few things. Today we're actually kind of breaking up some ground, tilling up the garden a little bit, kind of letting the soil dry out some, and we'll probably hit it one more time before we start planting. I know in this part of the United States, in the lower parts of the states, it's warming up enough now we can start planting. For some of you, that may be in a couple of months from now, possibly even a little further down the line for those of you way up north. We did get to share in about a week of snow and ice here several weeks ago, and honestly, people in Louisiana are not used to that. We don't know how to handle it. But anyway, we've overcome and we got through it. But we just wanted to kind of share with you a little bit. We fluffing up the garden, getting the soil prepared, trying to get it right for planting where we can build rows and what have you. And we'll be putting potatoes, onions in the ground. And I'm hoping that y'all join us. We plan on doing some videos. My mother-in-law is just all excited about getting her garden again, and we're excited about getting in ours. So if you want a social distance, a garden is a great place to do it, because you can space out from everyone, most importantly around harvest time, because usually you're the only one out there. So we just hope you join us for our videos, and we look forward to an exciting year this year. We do want to thank all of our faithful customers for the business that you sent last year, and God really blessed us that everybody was able to keep their jobs and was able to maintain and stay open, and it's all thanks to you. So I hope you have a good day, and glad you joined us. Lash Pa.